Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox another package that we got from the Cred store. So let's unbox this nice and easy and see what we have inside the package. Okay, what is this? That's how you open packages around here. Okay, here we go. What would be inside this package? Let's open and see. Only one way to find out. Oh, this looks great, man. Looks like a pen. Is it a pen? Let's see if it is a pen or not. Okay, so perfectly designed to look like a pen. How do we open this? You see that? Why does it have ink? I thought this is a stylus which is used for a tab. Did I get scammed or something? It has a rubber eraser type of a thing on the top, but it has ink. Not sure, man. I think they misunderstood what I wanted. Not what the product I wanted. They've just sent me a pen. Not the right product that I am looking for. I got scammed on this. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. I wanted to get a stylus that I can use to write on a tab, but this is not what was expected. Any which ways, don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.